Welcome, friends and neighbors, to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. Don't forget. Today is Thursday, the day of the giver. There's all of this giving vibration today. All of this doing things and actions and, moving around, not sitting still. Giver has a hard time sitting still, even for meditation. So guess what? Their meditation is not about sitting still. But wait, you say, meditation is all about sitting still, isn't it? Well, it's one type. But the whole point of Your Life Blueprint is understanding that everyone's different. Everyone needs different things. So if you have the giver spiritually, then sitting meditation is just not going to work for you. You'll have tried it. And after a while, you say to yourself or to someone else, I'm a failure at meditation. I just can't do it. I can't sit still for very long. My body wants to do this and do that and, change positions. And I say to them, you just haven't found the right way. And the right way for the giver is in action, in activity. Doing one thing at a time, totally focused on one thing at a time, but moving. So moving meditation for the spiritual giver is the way to go with meditation. A great person who had this giver spiritually in their blueprint was the poet and writer Allen Ginsberg. Here's a little of what he had to say. Follow your inner moonlight. Don't hide the madness. Follow your inner moonlight. Don't hide the madness. I don't think there is any truth. There are only points of view. Well, then he knew the secret. Allen Ginsberg knew the secret. There's not one truth. Everybody sees things their own way. There's only truth for you. What's true for you? Find that out. And you have then beaten the game of life. Find out what's true for you. And don't worry about what other people do, or what they decide to do, or what they decide not to do. None of your business. Your business is find out what works for you. And do it. Embrace it. Doesn't matter if other people say, it's wrong, don't do that, that's wrong. Well, that may be wrong for them, but it might not be wrong for you. So have some faith, have some courage, and understand that point, Don't let somebody tell you you have to eat this way, or you have to pray this way, or you have to meditate that way, no. Find out what works for you. You. As Allen Ginsberg said, I don't think there's any truth. There are only points of view.